In part 2, I experimented using cordless to make the foldable hinge. In this video, I will just highlight the building steps of this boat. I will create a more detailed video to show you how I built this boat. All my boat plans, techniques in building boats will always be free. You can get the information at my website. I appreciate if you can support my channel by subscribing and give me a like. Thank you. I wrapped the foam with Gorilla Tape. I used the white tape, hoping it would not absorb too much heat under the sun. The garage was at 50 degrees Fahrenheit, therefore I warmed up the tape a bit. Using Gorilla Tape is easy and fast, but I still spent about 5 to 6 hours to cover up all 4 sections of the pontoons. I closed the cordless mid section, which is also the living hinge, by heat fusion. I did consider using just the zip tie, but too bad I have not left sufficient width on the cordless. Therefore, I really don't have much choice. I cannot use zip tie. I'm afraid the heat may damage the foam during heat fusion. I'm glad it turned out very good. Then I built the frame. I used a 1/16 inch thick aluminum angle, and I did concern about the strength of the angle. After I finished making the frame with additional stiffeners, and the frame seems to be very solid, I will find out more in the water test. This frame assembly weighs only around 3.5 pounds. This is how I will use the frame. I used PVC pipe to make these sections. Then I attached the sections to the cordless using zip ties. This is the first time I assembled the boat. I still need to make a few minor adjustments and improvements so that the assembly will be much easier and smoother. But I believe the assembly time of the boat will be less than my targeted 4 minutes. Maybe even down to 2 minutes. I still need to think of how to build an integrated chair and do some minor cleanup with the design. The weather has been rainy most of the time, and I hope I will have a chance to test the boat sometime next week. Please subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss my next update. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye.